12th Science, Subject Mathematics and Statistics, Part 1, Chapter number 6, Line and Plane. Dear students, we are going to study distance of a point from a plane. To find the distance of the point A vector from the plane R vector dot n cap equal to P. We have to find distance from the point to the plane. Distance from the point A vector to the plane R dot n cap equal to P. The distance of the origin from the plane R vector dot n cap equal to P is P. Here is R vector dot n cap. The distance from origin is equal to P. The equation of the plane passing through the A vector and the parallel to the plane R dot n cap equal to P is R dot n cap equal to A vector dot n cap. Here is the equation of a plane passing through the A vector and parallel to given vector. Its equation is R vector dot n vector equal to A vector dot n cap. Here is two parallel planes. The distance of the origin from the plane R dot n cap equal to A bar dot n cap is A bar dot n cap. We know that. Here is the equation of the plane. From origin the distance is A vector dot n cap. Here is A vector dot n cap. Therefore, the distance of the point A vector from the plane R dot n cap equal to P is given by mod of P minus A vector dot n cap. Here is distance from plane. From plane, the distance from the point. We know that from origin, the point is P. Take parallel plane passing through the A. Its equation is R dot n cap equal to A vector dot n cap. Hence, from origin, here the distance to the parallel plane is A vector dot n cap. Here is from origin, total distance is P. Take the parallel plane and its distance is A vector dot n vector. Therefore, from the point, the distance to the plane is a subtraction. Here's total distance P minus A vector dot n cap. Hence, the distance of a point from a plane is mod of P minus A vector dot n cap. Remark, for finding the distance of a point from a plane, the equation of the plane must be in the normal form. Examples. Example number 28. Find the distance of the point 4i minus 3j plus 2k from the plane r bar dot minus 2i plus j minus 2k equal to 6. Solution here. Distance of the point A vector 4i minus 3j plus 2k. Here is plane, a normal to the plane. Here normal vector is n bar is minus 2i plus j minus 2k. We have to find magnitude of n vector equal to root of minus 2 square plus 1 square plus minus 2 square equal to 4 plus 1 plus 4 equal to root 9 equal to 3. Hence n cap equal to n bar divided by magnitude of n bar is minus 2i plus j minus 2k divided by 3. Therefore, the normal form of the equation of the given plane is r bar dot minus 2i plus j plus 2k divided by 3 equal to 2. Here in normal form of the equation of plane. Convert into n cap, there is n cap. Therefore, divide by 3 on both sides. We get here is divided by 3 and 6 divided by 3 is 2. Therefore, P equal to 2. Now, A vector dot n cap equal to, here is given A vector 4i minus 3j plus 2k dot the n cap is minus 2i plus j minus 2k divided by 3. Here is divided by 3. Then dot product 4i minus 3j plus 2k into minus 2i plus j minus 2k. Here is 4 into minus 2 minus 8. 3 into minus 1 minus 3. 2 into minus 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 15 divided by 3 is equal to minus 5. Hence, A vector dot n cap equal to minus 5. We know that the required distance is given by mod of P minus A vector dot n cap. Here is P equal to 2 minus a vector dot n cap is minus 5 minus minus plus in 2 plus 5 equal to 7. Therefore, distance of the point 4i minus 3j plus 2k from the plane r vector dot minus 2i plus j minus 2k equal to 6 is 7 units. Example number 29. Find the distance of a point 4i minus 3j plus k from the plane r cap dot 2i plus 3j minus 6k equal to 21. Solution. The distance of the point A from the plane r bar dot n bar equal to p is given by d equal to mod of a vector dot n vector minus p divided by magnitude of n vector. We know that here is a vector is 4i minus 3j plus k. N vector equal to 2i plus 3j minus 6k. Is p distance is 21. A vector dot n vector 4i minus 3j plus k dot 2i plus 3j minus 6k equal to here is 4 into 2 plus minus 3 into 3 plus 1 into minus 6. 8 minus 9 minus 6. Here is 8 minus 15 equal to minus 7. Also magnitude of n vector equal to root of. Here is magnitude of n vector 2 square plus 3 square plus minus 6 square equal to 4 plus 9 plus 36 equal to root of 49 equal to 7. From 1 the required distance is equal to, here is formula, is minus 7 a vector dot n vector minus p is 21 divided by magnitude is 7. Minus 7 minus 21 is minus 8. Outside the mod is plus 28 divided by 7 is equal to 4 units. Example number 30. Find the distance of the point 1, 1 minus 1 from the plane 3x plus 4y minus 12z plus 20 equal to 0. Here is we given Cartesian form of the plane. Solution. The distance of the point x1, y1, z1 from the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 is magnitude of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Therefore, the distance of the point 1, 1 minus 1 from the plane 3x plus 4y minus 12z plus 20 equal to 0 is mod of. Here is the equation of plane. Put the value of x is 1, y is 1 and z is minus 1. That is x1, y1, z1. 3 into 1 plus 4 into 1 minus 12 into minus 1 plus 20 divided by root of coefficient of x square that is 3 square plus coefficient of y square is 4 square plus coefficient of z is minus 12 square. Yes, 3 into 1 is 3, 4 into 1 is 4, minus 12 into minus 1 plus 12 plus 20 divided by 9 plus 16 plus 144. Here 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 12 is 19, 19 plus 20 39. Is 9 plus 16 25 plus 144 equal to root of 169. 39 divided by 30 equal to 13 units. Thank you.